Okay, good morning. Myself, Mr. S. Pramod Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Agricultural Engineering, Sri Shanmugha College of Engineering and Technology. Now we discuss the topic about environmental factors influencing greenhouse production. Okay, now we will discuss about one by one. Okay, study of environmental factors influencing greenhouse. Okay, it is influenced not only by the heredity and also it will affect by climate factors, plant specific growth, flowering, fruiting, all of the things. Then it is based on the light, temperature, relative humidity, carbon dioxide content, root growing medium. These are the environmental factors. Then microclimate like light, temperature, air under the growing medium or root medium. Okay, the next one is light. Light is measured wavelength in a nanometer, nm சொல்லும். It is available for short wavelength length range less than 400 nm. Large quantities of UV light are harmful to the plants. Okay, less than 400 is enough, useful and effective for plants. Okay, most UV light is below the range of 325 is good for plant health. Okay, here visible and white wavelength of UV light, it will under 400 to 700 nanometer. Fair red light 700 to 750 nanometer for photosynthesis. It will affect the photosynthesis. Then infrared rays, it is not involved in the plant production. Okay. Okay, the next one is primary visible spectrum. Blue and red bands is there. Photosynthetic activity is very higher for blue light. It is a shorter wavelength, and the red light, it is a longer wavelength. Then visible light of all wavelength is readily utilized for photosynthesis and light intensity. Okay, the light intensity varying from 129.6 klux of and the clear summary of 3.2 klux for cloudy winter days. Okay, the next one is relative humidity. Relative humidity now simply moisture content available in the air, அதாவது காத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஈரப்பதம். Okay, so it is process like humidification and dehumidification. Okay, most of the crops between the 50 to 80% of relative humidity is needed. Then the plant propagation work up to 90% of relative humidity will needed for crop growth. Then relative humidity is no longer ventilators, dehumidification, cooling coils, so இதெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி relative humidity will be manageable. Then high pressure mist system. The plant at a pressure of 35 to 70 kg per square meter for low capacity nozzles, and the temperature differences of 5 to 10 degrees Celsius. It is more effective during the warmest part of the day. Then carbon dioxide enrichment in greenhouse. Okay, the carbon is essential for plant growth and also the photosynthesis. Okay, then 40% of dry matter of plants is composed of carbon. It is atmosphere slightly above 0.03% or 345 ppm of carbon dioxide. Okay, then liquid carbon dioxide, it is early 1960s carbon dioxide applications. The liquid carbon dioxide tank were installed at 1960s. Okay, a set of pressure regulating valves reduced the pressure and the low level. Greenhouse is a plastic tube 3 to 6 nm diameter for needle hole at every the holes applicable at the every 30 centimeter of length. Okay, then solid carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide under pressure and low temperature gets solidified and it's popularly known as dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide, it is also known as dry ice. Okay, air circulation system for distribution of carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide will distribute through the air circulations. Okay, thank you for watching.